Yeah, I'll show you guys fuse box location on this one and OBD port on this Dodge 3500. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And the first thing is I'll show is OBD port right in here. And to get to the fuse box, you have to open the hood, which the latch is right here. So I only noticed there's only one, but if you know more, comment below, let me know. So the fuse box will be right in here. And to get to it, yeah, there's a latch right here and right here. And that just goes up. The location of the fuses are inside here. And there's your fuses. To close it, just pop it back. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.